It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is volcano! Yay! A volcano is a mountain that has a crater through which lava and hot gas erupt from below the Earth's surface. You can also use volcano in a sentence like this. The volcano erupted hot red lava and the lava flowed down the volcano. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Volcano! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!
Joe and Joey's Imagination Station.